No?
Nothing.
Oh.
Every other team had a tournament. We didn't have
Yeah.
anything. Not a thing.
And they all did well too.
Yes, they did. Yeah.
Did they?
We wouldn't have done that well. Our team is not.
No.
Not that. We have so few kids, and we had like no goalies. So Taylor went in to play nets for us. And she
Yeah.
never played nets before, so
Yeah.
it's really hard when you have to just kind of
Yeah.
pick
Yeah.
kids out of
Yeah, I
the
know.
lineup. Okay, well you're going to be the goalie now. Like
Yeah.
at that age, it's
Yeah.
just difficult. Especially, I mean, some of those kids on the other team, they're big kids. Like
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to be in the net taking my
We
shots.
went through all that with our boys, and Ryan was lucky.